Yo, you ever pull an all-nighter and think, yeah, I'm built different? Well, you're not. You're just built tired. Let's talk about sleep. Not the I'll sleep when I'm dead kind of sleep. Nah, I mean that luxurious 8 hours of drooling on your pillow kind of sleep. The good stuff. So here's the deal. Sleep isn't just your body going into power-saving mode like a lazy laptop. It's actually one of the most powerful upgrades your brain gets every single night. Or doesn't get, because you decided to binge watch a crime documentary till 3 a.m. Again. Yeah, we saw you. Let's start with the magic number, 8 hours. That's not just a number sleep scientists pulled out of a dream. That's the average sweet spot where your body and brain get to run all their updates. Think of it like installing software overnight. Except instead of getting dark mode, you're getting better memory, better focus, better mood, and way less yelling at your toaster in the morning. When you short yourself on sleep, it's like canceling an update halfway through. Sure, your phone still works, but now it freezes when you open Instagram and autocorrect thinks duck is a thing you say when you're mad. Same with your brain. You might function, but you're glitchy, slower, moodier. You cry at cereal commercials now. You start forgetting your own birthday. It's a vibe, a sad one. Here's what's going on under the hood when you catch those Z's. Your brain's got different sleep stages like a concert lineup. Light sleep, opening act, chillin', deep sleep, body repair mode, muscles fix themselves, immune system flexes, REM sleep, headliner. This is when your brain goes full IMAX 3D with dreams, and more importantly, it processes your memories and emotions. Skip REM sleep too often, and your brain starts acting like that one friend who swears they're totally fine, but cries if you mention dogs. You don't want that. Also, during deep sleep, your brain legit takes out the trash. Not like metaphorical bad vibes, like actual waste, toxins, mental gunk. It's called the glymphatic system, which sounds like a made-up Harry Potter spell, but it's real. Your brain has a built-in janitor crew that only clocks in when you're knocked out. So yeah, you staying up scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m.? That's like firing your night crew and wondering why the place smells weird. Sure, and raccoons can survive eating literal garbage. Doesn't mean it's optimal. Most people need 7 to 9 hours, not 4. Not, I took a nap in the Uber. That's not sleep. That's denial with eye bags. And don't bring up those 1 in a million humans with some rare gene that lets them sleep 4 hours and still crush life. That ain't you. If it were, you wouldn't be Googling, why do I feel dead after 2 Red Bulls? Getting solid sleep isn't just about not feeling like a human marshmallow in the morning. Your brain lives for this stuff. You literally become smarter in your sleep. Skills, facts, emotional control, creativity, it all levels up when you're off in dreamland. Ever had that aha moment in the shower after a good night's sleep? Yeah, that's your brain finally getting its act together because you let it recharge. Sleep also helps regulate your emotions. That means fewer fights with your partner over the tone you used to say, okay, and less crying because your coffee order got messed up. Basically, sleep makes you less dramatic and more genius. And who doesn't want that? So, what's ruining your sleep? Oh boy, where do we start? Phones? That blue light blasting your eyeballs at midnight? Yeah, it's telling your brain the sun's still up. Good luck sleeping after that. Caffeine. You downed that iced coffee at 5 p.m., didn't you? Cute. Stress. That thing where your brain replays every awkward moment since 2007? That doesn't help either. Irregular schedule. Your brain likes routines. If you treat bedtime like a surprise party every night, don't be shocked when it stops showing up. You don't need to turn into a monk. Just do the basics. Go to bed and wake up around the same time every day. Yes, even weekends. Sorry, put your phone down at least 30 minutes before bed. Try a book or stare at a wall. That works too. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet, like a cave, a peaceful, sleepy cave. Don't eat a giant meal right before bed. You're trying to sleep, not survive a food coma. And if you can't fall asleep, get up, walk around. Don't just lie there spiraling into existential dread. You'll be fine. Probably. Look, sleep isn't some optional luxury for people who have their life together. It's a biological requirement, like water or memes. You want better focus, better mood, better skin? Sleep. You want to stop forgetting where you parked your car every single time? Sleep. You want to avoid turning into a zombie with a coffee addiction and a nervous twitch? Brother, sleep. Anyway, ensure you have done all of these things to get a good night's rest.